Welcome to Spaceflight Daily for Monday the 6th of July, 2026. After a busy weekend, today was a quieter day in spaceflight. JAXA have released a couple more images from Hayabusa 2's flyby of asteroid Torifune, including this sequence showing the spacecraft zooming towards the asteroid at 5 km per second. Astronaut Hansen, who flew on the Artemis 2 mission around the Moon earlier this year, has announced he is stepping down from the Canadian Astronaut Corps, leaving Canada with 3 active astronauts. He hasn't specified the exact reason for his departure, though it sounds like he will be pursuing other opportunities related to Canada's space industry. Artemis 2 was his first and only spaceflight, during which he racked up 9 days in space. Each week, the China Manned Space Agency puts out a video update on what the taikonauts aboard the Tiangong space station have been up to. This week's activities have included using the Mengjian module to deploy an experiment called Musico, which will take measurements of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. The taikonauts have also used the station's famous air fryer to bake some cakes. That's all for today. Subscribe for daily spaceflight updates. See you tomorrow.